beautiful rise in gold and silver after a while, almost for a couple of weeks or more. Gold and silver has been trading bearish, specifically gold, while silver consolidated last week and yesterday it has given a beautiful breakout what we were expecting for. We discussed that 2360-80 zone. Once it breaks past by the uh, movement is going to be stronger, and see 2440 is done. At the same time, gold has also reached 19, 20, 22 levels. Now what to expect today? Can we expect both to continue with the rise, or we can expect a retracement from here? Which position you should take trading gold and silver today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Your every like, comment, share and subscribe is a great inspiration for me, motivation for me to deliver on time, every time, twice a day, with the best of my abilities. So do like, comment, share and subscribe, friends. Yeah, I do read each and every comment, and that gives me further motivation to deliver best of the best analysis. With that, let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Yes, pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. First, let me show you something on the daily charts. I'll come back to daily charts also later after the complete analysis. But let's have a brief look. See, gold was trading in this bearish channel. It has given a reversal sign, and since then we have seen this beautiful rise. Also, you can see the prices were divergent from the 2050 moving average, and now we are looking forward to a good rise, and that is what this is. See, after the breakout first green candle, there is a very strong probability that it can yield a second green candle also. We have to be watchful here. At the same time, look at MACD. See, this is crossed over after staying bearish for a while, and this is the first green candle, and with a divergence this suggests that the bullishness may continue. I'll touch base this point again, but first let's have a look at the other time frame charts or minor time frame charts. Firstly, on the hourly, now see, on the hourly charts you'll find the moving averages have now started to climb. The prices are little divergent from the moving average, and also you can see now 19, 15 levels have become a support. Multiple candles try to breach those levels. Also, the 20 period moving average have come down till towards 1915. There is a possibility that it can try to retrace a little, but this is again with caution. You have to take this position. You can see it is trading in this bullish channel as of now. Now, the bottom of this channel is somewhere here at around 1918, 1919 levels. Hence, you can initiate a sell entry here at 1918, but with extra caution that 1915 levels are going to be a great support. 1915, 16, so it will hardly yield you 20 to 30 pips here. So you have to be cautious while taking this position. A good sell entry can be taken at 1915, that is clear here. So we have found one of the entries, but let's have a further detail look. See, stochastic on the hourly charts is overbought here. The MACD, now if you look at the MACD, this was also divergent here, and that is why we can see convergence, a bit of convergence here. A crossover is what you should wait for. If it crosses over, trades with divergence, which means that it yields couple of bigger red candles. Possibly you can expect a little retracement. However, it is still not to be treated bearish. RSI is also overbought on the hourly charts. Coming to the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, look at this. Moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards. Now below 1915, see, once it draws below 1915, the next support is going to be somewhere here at around 1910 level. Also note that what it will try to do, see, since the prices are too much divergent from the moving average, it will wait for the moving average to climb but up. Since then, possibly it might retrace a little, and somewhere here at around 1915 it will try to get the base or bottom there. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish. RSI overbought. Coming to 3-hour chart, same observation on the 3-hour charts. Moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence. It possibly is going to continue with the bullish bias. Now see, retracement has got the base here at 1915, and you can see a reversal sign also. With that reversal, it has yielded couple of green candles, and yes, it does not mean that it cannot yield another green candle. It can yield another green candle, but see, as we have seen on the early and 2-hour charts, that there is a possibility of slight retracement. What it will try to do, the rise is going to be in a single candle on the 3-hour charts, while on the hourly charts we can see couple of red candles. At the same time, the greener part will be still there in the uh, 3-hour charts here, because see, this is a larger time frame. It comprises of 3 1-hour candle, which suggests that Possibly couple of red candles on an hourly chart, and then one single green candle which will be of equally good strength, such that this candle remains in green. So this is what I am expecting. Largely speaking, still there is bullishness in gold. However, let's observe more. See, it is overbought. That is also one of the point, that gold is getting overbought here on the 3-hour charts. The MACD is also divergent bullish, and you can also note that the candle sizes try to diminish despite it is staying bullish. It is trying to diminish the moving average. You should watch out. Prices are too much divergent, and hence now consolidation may take place, where we can expect moving average to come up while the prices to stay between 1915 and 1924-25 levels. RSI overbought. Coming to 4-hour charts, also on the 4-hour chart, see, it is trying to stretch the Bollinger Bands to the maximums, and also if you look at higher highs, higher lows, hence what we can expect, 1925 could be one of the highs which it will try to achieve, 24-25 level. Also, if you look at here, is also one of the important crossovers which is taking place at 1905. Thus this suggests that now the downside is going to be limited. It will wait for the moving average to come up and then consolidate at around 1915 zone. That is my expectation. Stochastic is extremely overbought. MACD is extremely divergent. RSI is also overbought. Coming to the now, as we discussed on the daily chart, this is a breakout here, and it has come out of this bearish channel, and it is willing to continue in this bullish zone, this reversal, because see, the slope is gradual here while this is a vertical rise. So this suggests extreme bullish, and this could be in fact a reversal for gold. It may try to see, this is the near term bearish channel in which it is trying to trade on the daily charts. If you connect the peaks here, you will find the highs of this channel are now limiting at around 1940. Now 1940 is a great resistance. We know that earlier it was a support earlier. Now it is going to be a great resistance on the upside. But at the same time, the possibility for gold to achieve these levels is also very high. Also, if you look at, see, the stochastic is rising vertically, it has entered into overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence. So today again it is going to be a possibly greener candle. Moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence looking upwards. RSI is looking upwards. Considering, I will recommend you to buy here at 1922. But then remember, even if it is breaking 1922, the nearest resistance is going to be 24-25. So it will only yield 20 to 30 pips to you, because beyond this there will be a further bullish momentum which is going to take it for 1932-1936 zone. This is again going to be a great, and then 1940, this is ultimate. So these are the three levels which is we should watch out for on the upside. Buying at 92 definitely, 1922 definitely, uh, possibly it's going to yield 20-30 pips at least, and beyond that more bullishness is going to be considered, because see, this is going to yield second consecutive bullish candle on the daily charts after yesterday's rise. At the same time, a sell entry at 1918 can be taken. When this price is below 1918, you can take a sell entry. However, here also 1915 is the ultimate support. It is a great support. I think even if it tries to retrace, it will try to consolidate somewhere here at around 1915 levels if it tries to drop, and then continue with the bullish momentum. That is what is possibility, that it may try to retrace. However, consolidate the support and then show a rally again. So this is what we can look forward to. Below 1915, 1910 is the first resistance, first support levels, and if it stays below 1910, more bearishness is going to prevail. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly charts. I'll come back to the hourly charts later. Let's have a brief glimpse on the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, one point we noted earlier. See, bottom of this bullish channel. See, this, the slope of the channel is what you should note. We have earlier seen the silver dropping from the top to the bottom, then to the top, then to the bottom, and now rising from here. This is one observation. This is the long-term trend, and hence once it stays above 25, sky is the limit. Possibly we are looking forward to 28 levels also. Next is, in the near term, silver is trading in this bearish channel. Now this time it has almost formed higher lows or double bottom and has retraced. So now this 25 levels becomes crucial for silver to break past by near future. But I will come back to this later. Let's have a look at the daily charts first. sorry, hourly charts first. On the hourly charts, you can find out 2740, 2735 levels, giving it a resistance. First red candle, then retracement. If and only if it breaks past by 2740, that is this price above 2740, you can buy here and expect it to rise further. How far it can rise? Now see, yesterday's candle was an extremely bullish candle. If it breaks out above the highs, certainly we are looking forward to 2450 I meant, and certainly beyond 2440 levels we can expect more bullish move, where you can look forward to 2470 and $25 levels as the next resistance level. Now this is something we can look forward to, but look at this, what one red candle, more 2 to 3 greener candles. Now this time when it plunges, the move is also going to be further bearish or stronger bearish, which means there will be a possibility for it to drop at least for 2420, 2410 levels. Now 2410 and 24 are two very strong support levels for silver on the downside. See, stochastic has hit a bottom for silver. MACD has crossed over at a high. It is trading with little divergence. This suggests that it may now see the waves here. So it could possibly yield the red part of this wave and try to achieve the bottom of this before looking upwards. RSI is extremely overbought. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. It will possibly wait for the moving average to come up. Thus $24 levels become a very good support for now. Even if it tries to retrace, you can try to initiate a sell entry at around 2420. When I say sell entry at 2420, this price you have to look forward to. Now once it touches 2420, you have to observe a little and then take a position. We are looking forward to 2410, $24 levels at least. Now if you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is sharply bullish. It can possibly converge. You can see the behavior of silver here. See, it has seen the rise here and possibly yielded little waves. So there could be one more wave which might take it a little down. RSI is extremely overbought, which calls for a little drop. And if you look at 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, a crossover here trading with divergence. Now look at the 20 period moving average. It is right now situated at around 2380 levels. Now remember, 2380 was a good resistance. Now it is going to be a good support if it stays below $24 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI overbought. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation here. We can see that price is divergent and moving average climbing up. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. Coming to the now on the daily chart, see, the problem here is it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. That is first part. Second is almost double top is done for the day. Lower highs are seen, and hence a little retracement can be expected. Either, see, what will happen here is if it is bullish for the forthcoming sessions, then silver has to achieve higher highs here, pushed or wait for the threshold of the Bollinger Bands to rise from here. Thus, it has to achieve higher highs before looking downward. So, what is one probability that once it stays above 2440, we can still look forward to this zone here at see 2450 as the good resistance zone. So 2450, the pivot here at around 2430, 20 cents from here, and on the downside 20 cents. So possibly it could limit its range between 2450 to 2410, or in fact 2460 to 24. This is what a swing can be expected here. Now see, 2460 and 50 was a good support zone, hence we have to watch a little out there. Also remember one more, that now the moving averages have started to converge. The support on the downside is far below. Now whatever is move it shows today, it is just a retracement, not a reverse. And in fact, I expect it to deliver higher highs and higher can see a swing today possibly. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bullish. Though it has scope for it to continue with the upward move, you can see this crossover has come at a bottom, so it can continue with the rise. What we had discussed, flat bottom and a higher high, so it can still continue with the upward move here. RSI is also near to overbought zone. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy 2740 levels, but 2440 levels, extremely sorry for this, 2440 levels, but then extremely be cautious, alert for 2450-60 levels. This is the first and very strong resistance. Beyond that, possibly we are looking forward to 2490 levels, $25 levels. That is going to be the next strongest resistance. Any move beyond 25 is going to be A very good move, and beyond that, sky is the limit for silver. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 24.20. When you see this price at 24.20, you can sell here and expect 24.10, $24 levels. 24 is a good support. Below that, 23.80 will come into picture. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signal channel. Reach out to me for your trading or training queries. And next video will be released before the US session. Watch that also. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.